Hello YouTube. Text back with another great video, and today's video is about how to fix a thumbnail not showing on Windows screen or on when you open your file explorer. You may not see image thumbnail, videos thumbnails, or any files thumbnail. So how can we solve a thumbnail problem that's not visible or that's not showing on the screen? Would be solved on this video. So stay tuned until the end of the video. So for this video, I have four solutions. So the first solution would be opening the file explorer here. Open your file explorer, this one. Open the file explorer on any Windows 7, Windows 8, or Windows 10 or Windows 11. It will work for all of them. So on the top corner, you will find on Windows 10 you will find view, but on Windows 11 you already find here three dots. But if you are using Windows 10, select for view and you will find options. But on Windows 11, select the three dots and you will find options. So select options. So on the options, you will find here view. So select the view and check always show icons, never templates. If this checkbox is checked, uncheck this one. Always show icons, never template. You should have to uncheck this one and select here apply and select here OK. Then check whether the thumbnail appeared or not. So again, if this solution is not working, you can change by clicking here this PC option, right click on it, then go to again properties, and when the properties opened on your computer, then go to advanced system setting. Open advanced system setting. So on the advanced system setting, you will find here setting. On the performance category, you will find settings. Again, make sure on that show thumbnails instead of icons. Make sure this checkbox is checked. Show thumbnails instead of icons. This thumbnail should have to be checked. So this one checked and select apply, then select OK and select here OK and close this one and check for the thumbnails if they are appearing on your file explorer or Windows Explorer while you are opening. So if this solution is not working, then restart Windows Explorer will be the second solution. So which is right click on the Windows icon here, right click on it, and you'll find the task manager. Then open the task manager and find for Windows. So after you open the task manager here, I found Windows Explorer. So if you cannot search Windows Explorer, just click W on your keyboard and it will search for Windows Explorer. As you can see, here it find www, then it find Windows Explorer. Then select the Windows Explorer and restart the Windows Explorer. So as you can see, it restarted the taskbar and close the task manager and check whether the thumbnails appeared or not. If the Windows Explorer restarting is not working, you can restart your computer as another solution. So if the thumbnails not showing is solved, well done. If it is not, the third solution will be clear thumbnail cache. So to clear the thumbnail cache, then you will go to here the search icon and type on here, which is disk clean up. Type disk cleanup. So as you can see here, disk cleanup appeared. So I'm going to open the disk cleanup on the computer, and it takes some time to process and calculate the disk cleanup categories. So it's here processing and calculating. So here we find the disk cleanup options. So uncheck all of this, which is uncheck the temporary, the Windows Direct, all of this, just check only the thumbnails. So removing the cache may help the thumbnails to work correctly. So check the thumbnails and select here OK and delete files. So it delete cache related with thumbnails. Now you can check whether the thumbnail is appearing or not. So these are the solutions that will help you to fix the thumbnail not showing on Windows. So if you are new here, please subscribe ChurchTech and be a part of ChurchTech. Like and give me comments. Thank you for watching. ChurchTech out.